So, hello guys, today we're gonna unbox Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Yeah, this is the new phone which have been launched in the market. So, let's unbox it. So, this is the box. Here first we can see the case. So, I have already unboxed it. And this is the phone. And it has a nice smell. So, let's keep it aside. This is the screen guard. You can see. This is the charger we get with the phone, 125 watt, and this is the cable which has two type C's, and we get, why it's not coming? Yeah, okay, it came. We get, and these papers, some papers, and this is the SIM ejector tool. So let's take the phone. This is the important thing. Okay, let's come. Yeah, okay, this is the phone. You can see that, and it has a nice smell. I'm again saying it, yeah, I like it. So it's looking stunning. So now let's talk about the case. This is the case, you can see that. I think so, which is a plastic bag. Which has a plastic bag. I will take the sound. Yeah, this is the case. Now let's take it aside. This is the phone, which has a cool back, stunning. And the side, which is a curved display with 1.5 POLED display, This is a front. And let's talk about the jacks. You don't get a 3.5mm jack. You can get the C-type SIM slot. I think so. Yeah, here is a SIM slot. The speaker, which is a dual speaker. You can get here also the speaker and selfie camera. The camera setup, Dolby Atmos. This is the power button, volume up button, volume down button, and which has a metal side. Yes, literally. It's metal. Okay, and the back, a vegan leather, full matte finish, and I like it. And you can see the emblem, Motorola. So now let's boot it up. Okay, before booting it up, we can check the wobble test. Okay, if you keep it in the surface area, it just wobble like this, because the camera is little bit upward. And you can see the flashlight, which two big cameras with a ring-like structure, and I like that because it gives an luxurious feel. And the third camera is inside, it doesn't have a ring type structure. I don't know why, but yeah, it's looking nice. So let's boot it up. So let's see the interface. Yeah, hello Moto. Okay, this is unique. I'm first time trying a phone like this, which has a unique booting system. Okay, let's see how much time it takes. Okay, I like the animation. Okay, that's good. Yeah, okay, so this is the home page. So I'm gonna talk about the display. 1.5K resolution. Yes, and at this price range, I think so the display is top notch. 2000 brightness, yeah, peak brightness. And if you talk about the hertz, 144 hertz. So yeah, now let's test the display hertz. It was set it was 144 hertz or 120 hertz. I can't remember it. So let's test it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's speed. And now let's test that side. If you touch the side, Yeah, it's coming. Okay, the side is like working, you know. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's the side is responsive. And like, let's touch this side. Okay, this side is responsive. Oh wait, okay, now let's test this side. Okay, it's responsive. And now let's, yeah, and it has UFS 2.2. Yeah, but that's an like a downgrade, I think so. UFS 2.2. And it is the Moto's gestures, you know. If you shake like this, the camera will be turned on. If you go like this, like something will happen, I don't know, I keep it off. And if you tap like this, the camera will also open, and I all keep it off, you know. And so now I came to the about phone, and you can see that it's a 12 GB variant, and plus 4 GB you can also RAM boost it, and if your storage will be lower, you know. And the front camera has a 50 megapixel and rear camera has a 50 megapixel and 30 megapixel, 13, okay, not 30. And it's the second camera, and the third camera has a 10 megapixel, I think so. It's a macro or ultra wide also. And the display, you can also see the pixels. This is a Android 14 version, and with the latest UI of Moto G. Like Motorola has introduced like this personalization. You can also personalize your interfaces like edge light. That's, yeah, okay, for incoming calls, if you want to like you can set colors when the incoming call is coming, and this is fast. Next, alarm. Okay, then notifications, so I am setting a color like this blue color, and incoming calls, alarm, notification. Yeah, let's go back. And the lock screen, you can just customize the lock screen. Literally you can customize the lock screen, like list, no, like let's keep it bubble. And the style, yeah, okay, I like this. Okay, then let's go to the colors. So you can see the colors, you can set the colors according to your will, like literally. And I like that. Yeah, really. Like let's click this. Wait, oh sorry, here you can change the colors. So okay, you can also like change the colors according to your will, I said, right? So yeah, see, like let's change it to this. Yeah, okay, wallpaper colors, theme based, save, let's save it. Okay, I think so, it's got saved. You can also change the layout with, oh, difference of layout, you know. When I see like Realme C30, yeah, it's a budget phone, and it has like 5x6 layouts. So I think so if every phone has like different layouts. Display size and text, yeah, it has an cool features, you know. And you can make the wallpapers with AI, literally. And we have no photos in this, so bad. So now let's into the camera. So now let's get into the camera mode. You know, let me take a selfie. Yeah, it just took a selfie. And if you ask me the skin tone, I will just show you. Like this is a skin tone, if you see about this, and I will zoom it. Okay, like you can see the skin tone, the hair structures, you know. And if you ask a bit about me the quality, it's good. You can also see the portrait mode photos. In portrait mode, you can also see that 24mm, 35mm, 50mm and 85mm. So basically I will tell you that in 24mm, like it's like a zoom mode, you know, like 3x, 5x, 8x, you know, it's like zoom. So this is 1x, 35mm, 50x is like 2x, and 85mm is like 3x, you know. So let me take a photo. of 3x. This is a cameraman. Okay, now like standard 50 mm. So yeah, okay, let me show you about the modes in the camera. You can see the modes, and I will just say the main ones. Dual capture, 50 ultra resolution 50 megapixel, and tilt shift, I don't know what's even that. And dual capture, it's what? There are two, okay, you can see that. Then what's, oh, that's in one video, and that's one for like camera, I think so. Yeah, okay, and this one is for video. Yeah, it's okay, it's good. Spot color, if I just, okay, what happened? Spot color, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Okay, so yeah, and now let's test the 150, like, sorry, 50 megapixel resolution photo. Let me just take this. Okay, it's processing, and just let me see the clarity. Okay, okay, okay. And if you talk about the clarity, you can just see that, right? It's too good, like, it's too good. It's too good. 4500 mAh battery, 4500 mAh battery. Yeah, it will go for like one day, yeah, literally. If you have like a normal usage, 1.5, gaming usage, half day. And it has a decent package. Yeah, not decent, it's fully loaded with like full features, and I like it. And the processor is like Snapdragon 7 3rd gen, and the RAM is 12 GB RAM, and you can also get the 8 GB RAM variant also with 128 GB. Now this is 12 GB RAM, 256 GB like the storage, UFS 2.2. Yeah, like that's okay. 2.2, it's like speed, it is well optimized. So under 30,000, the best choice. Yeah, the best choice, literally. Like a decent package with a balanced camera, with a balanced performance, with a stunning display. In which phone you can get like that? I think so. That's good, under 30,000, and a good package. So yeah, my conclusion is that it's a good 30,000 phone. So did you like the video? So like and subscribe, guys. I'm signing out.